Beading is back. That is what the Better Homes and Gardens magazine just exclaimed. It never went away. The beaded flowers on the cover are bright and beautiful. The flowers and instructions were inspired by the 1960s artists who were limited by their publishers in terms of pictures and instructions. If you are overwhelmed, I'm here to help. I learned French beading from the 1960s books and know how much brain energy it takes. Not only is it harder to learn from those books, but they're also out of print. One of the books they recommend is by Bobby Anderson. She has a series of books with beautiful patterns. Another book they recommend is Bouquet from Beads by Virginia Osterlin. The OG of French beading in America was not mentioned, and that is Virginia Nathanson. I learned a lot from her books. But let's move on to the books I recommend for beginners in the beginning of the millennium. First up, we have Donna Dick's gorgeous book, French Beaded Designs, with exceptional instructions and impeccable beading. Donna still teaches via Zoom for a bead store called Bead Soup. Next, we have Carol Benner's The Art of French Beaded Flowers. Then we have Daleen Kelly's French Beaded Flowers, New Millennium Collection. Daleen is my first French beaded flower teacher via her book. Let's move another 10 to 20-ish years into the future. We have more books that will guide a beginner step by step on getting started with French beading without the struggles of the 60s. Learn French Beading Beginner Course by Lauren Harpster and Bead Flora, The Revival of French Beaded Flowers by Fen Lee. Fen and Lauren both admin a group called the Learn How to Make French Beaded Flowers on Facebook. If you're inspired by the beautiful flowers on the cover of Better Homes and Gardens, but you are overwhelmed with what to do next, join the Facebook group and you will be guided in the right direction.